Hello, Tuni first vlog here. Tuni lối tiền ta. Tới nữa đó. Tới nữa.
On my own.
Satu ikan nak kom tahu refreshment.
But you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think.
Refreshment dấu tập đấy. Cái đâu? Ta chú studio thảo lắm rồi lớn lớn.
Mẹ từng thùng, Gun đã từng thùng.
I won't look back.
Hello, what is up guys? Welcome to our official channel. We are the Obvious Crew. Today we will be unboxing our new studio. We would like to give a big thanks to our beloved and respected Mr. S.Ginmuan Ngaihte, MCS SDO to Chandpur, Manipur, for providing us with this humble and cozy new studio. And thank you very much. Kakipa mamawa katan gwalaw studio hoy takat ng piag jakin katong ano apo content kang tunuhi. Kipaglua.
Thanks. Thank you.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Oh, you got me breathing.
Now we have reached the studio. Now we're gonna practice for like an hour or two, and then after that we're going back home.
From now on, this will be where we officially practice every day.
The actual location is, if you know public ground, it's just above that. And what is this start? Actually, the location. Let me show you something, guys. This is the residence of the respected YouTuber, the notice guy. I don't know whether he will be home or not, but hello, notice guy. If you watch this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up and comment peace. Yeah. What is up, guys?
Filthy mama wa mo. Ngate wa thada chu wa to le lu wa thada the big fat panda thada te miel na mu de hi thada te miel ma. Mi filte miel na mu de ya mi filte. Hiti chu mi filte mo. Ya mi filte. Mi thada te.
And it took us like 2 days to clean all the floors, and then we mop it. Okay, guys, see you later.
Higher, ooh, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, ooh.
Drop it.
Wow, hồi kia đừng lấy hồi nè.
Kili practice ka daw tawa, tu nilang duwan din kahit tawa. Kili
Subscribe. Please like and subscribe for the